Alright, today we're changing out the air filter on a 2016 Jeep Patriot Sport Edition. This is the 2.4 liter. 2.4 liter, don't forget it. Dual VVT. So what you want to do first, which I already did, was take out this bracket. It was sitting right here. Two 10mm bolts. Place that up there. Then you want to take out these 8mm holding the box in place. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 total. I'm making short work of it with this tool right here. Set you guys down real quick so I can grab the bolt. But yeah, go ahead and get all your bolts out so that way we can lift up the plate to expose the air filter. You do not want to unplug those top cords. You see how it says that in the picture? Do not unplug, lift the plate. Alright, then once you get all the bolts out, should just lift right up. Be careful not to snap any wires. This wire looks very fragile right here, so be careful. Damn, there was a whole dragonfly in that filter. What the hell? Must have got sucked into the engine. I mean, into the air intake and just stuck forever. Alright, so we got the micro guard one. That's the one that I bought. Made in Vietnam. That's what it's looking like. Here's the one that came out of the vehicle. Dragonfly was inside of here. But yeah. As you can see, the grids are bigger on this one and smaller on the micro guard. So that's the only difference I'm noticing. Everything else looks the same, feels the same. Well, actually, this is more squishy. This one right here, barely any squish. Like, this is made out of like styrofoam or something. But alright, let's put this in and put the bolts back in. Before I install it, I'm gonna vacuum out all this grime right here. It's like dead bees and flies. Vacuum all that out real quick. And now that's very clean. Ready to put the filter in. Let me just do that on video so you guys can see it. Wipe off all this dust around this edge. Around this edge. Make sure that's nice and dust free. Alright, now put the new filter on. And there it is, installed. Now we can go ahead and close this down. Put all our screws back in. Those two on the back, you got to use a ratchet for, because my tool won't fit in there. And then you just put this plate back on where it goes. Just like that. That's how that goes. Tighten those down. Those are 10 millimeters. Air filter done.